Look at this boy. Come here. Come here.
We'll wait here with you until your mom comes back. You don't have to come closer. You can just stay here with me if you want.
He's the nicest. Nick is the nicest. In all the years.
Your baby's so beautiful. Hi, sweet girl.
Never had one. He's just got a niceness.
Yeah, he looks like a bear, actually.
I'm a bear. I'm a bear.
Gotta take a leak, so I just pull over randomly.